Welcome back to Shopsicle Garage, where today we do, well, something. I don't know. I think we're going to see if we can put a new gas tank in our 1985 IROC project car. Well, we've got a brand new tank, brand new sending unit, brand new pump, and of course a sock on the end. So we get the sending unit and pump thrown in the tank, and then we'll see if we can get the tank thrown in the car. Alright, well that was incredibly fun getting that in there. Did not want to cooperate like normal. If you guys have done these, you know what I'm talking about. But I also did not get the anti-squeal, squeak, rattle, noisy strip things to go here. So instead, I got some fun weather stripping. I'm going to run some of that across here. And then should be about ready to try to put it in. Alright, let's see what we can break. Most likely, and everything. Watch the jack. Okay, we've got to get the right angle. See what we're caught on. Strap over here. Just come around. Throw those lines I left way too long over there. And does that sound like something rolling around in there to you? That sock didn't fall off. That's not even close. Oh, there went a bolt. I can't see nothing. Where's the... all the way up there? Move. Okay. Can't see up there. That it? That's it. I didn't do anything. Not do anything. Let's see what's going on over here with this other neck. It's not even close. That's part of the problem. Okay, well, I had to turn it off for a minute, but I kind of got it in there. Oh, you're not going to like that sound. Sorry about that sound. We'll do something different when we edit it, because you're right beside the microphone. Now, after all that, it better work. Hey, let's plug it in. Why not? That works. That plugs in. She is plugged in. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the road. My assistants. Thanks for your help. If that. Okay, all these lines are kind of not lining up. The lines are not lining up. This one we need a thread in there. Oh, I think it's going. Yeah. I don't know what size that is, do you? I don't know. Let's get a wrench and see what happens. Ow! I've been hit. Nope. That was some packing material stuff. Whatever. Let's see if I can hit my head again. I told you we're bigger than a 15. Why didn't you listen to me? Oh, okay, let's try again. Where are we at? Not right there. Of course, we gotta get something for the other one. You stay right there, don't go in place. Don't worry, I'm back. Huh, I'm at the wrong size, of course. Are you gonna be the right size? Yeah, go. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to turn, like, sorry, my stomach feels like it's hanging out. We're gonna have to turn, what are we doing? I don't know. We're gonna turn this a whole bunch. So it's gonna take a second. Up my tiptoes here. Most of this stuff's too low. How tight is this supposed to be? That tight? That sounds good. Okay. So what the plan is next, I need to shorten that so I don't get caught in the shock. Okay, we're gonna leave the, like I was saying, we're gonna leave the return line unhooked, bring the car down tomorrow, because I'm getting hungry. And we'll put some gas in it with some berry mint or something. And we'll run that through the lines, out the return, and into another container where they will then see how cruddy and nasty it is before we put it in the lawnmower and use it for lawnmower gas. So we do need to shorten these lines a little bit. I don't even know what that is. Not a lot. Good thing I got a foot. You know, these high pressure hoses are very expensive. $10 a foot is ridiculous. But it is what it is, and we're just gonna cut some of it off. So I'll probably be done for today, because why not? Man, there's a lot of dents in the bottom of this now where I was using my assistant. Oh well. I better make sure the thing's sticking out the filler, not just air. Hello? Oh, hey, there you are. This new tank came with a new gas cap. That's impressive. Didn't expect that to happen, but it did. Alrighty, well, we had up some of last year's lawnmower gas in the tank, about 4 gallons worth with a whole can of barium. We're going to see if we can hook this up to a brand new pump and run some of that through the lines to kind of give her a little flush. This bar is not reconnected, but it's just kind of in my way. So let's see where we connect this guy. We're going to use our generic brand power probe, and we're going to see what we can do here. Let's see if we can do this one. That hooked up to that. See if we can hook this up and apply some power. There goes the pump running. Don't see any leaks anywhere yet. Feel vibration in the line. Yeah, we're not getting anything out of the return line yet. Not sure what's happening there, why we're not getting any fuel out. Would have thought it would have came out by now, but I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and just take it off at the earliest. Take off this filter and make sure we're getting fuel there. Well, I unhooked the fuel filter, gave it a shot, and it definitely shot fuel out. So we're definitely pumping. Excuse me. Somebody tell me why it's not returning. Am I just being impatient, not waiting long enough? I did it off camera for probably another 30, 45 seconds. Nothing came back on the return. Does that mean we're clogged up there somewhere, or does it just take longer than that to return? I don't know. Maybe we will go up top there and crack the feed line, the front, the engine, and see if we can just make sure we're getting it up there, I guess. All right, let's see. Okay. Well, went up front, unhooked the feed line, like I said. And well, there's more gas all over the floor. So it definitely is getting up there. So we're going to go ahead and just run some into a tank or a can I got up there. Try to get the line somewhat clean at least, even if it's not going to return for us, I guess. We'll deal with that later. I don't know how fast this is pouring out up there, so stop there. I'll go climb up the ladder, see what we got, and be right back. We didn't get a lot in this can. We didn't get a lot in this can from feeding through there, but it also doesn't smell terrible, so must not be too much crud in the line. So we're just going to go ahead and button all this up and call it good back here. Alrighty, well, that's going to wrap it up for the fuel system refresh back here on this end anyway. We got fuel flowing to the front. We'll deal with from the front on after that. It's clear, so not too bad. See if we can get this. See if we can get this guy back in place. That one's laying out there, spray painted it and cleaned it up just a little bit. So we'll let it dry before we throw it back in. Or maybe we won't. Just so we can kind of be done with this kind of stuff. I don't know what we're going to do with this rear end. I haven't decided yet. Anyway, I think that's what we'll do with that. Well, that's going to do it for that one. We got the new fuel tank in, new pump sending unit, and I went ahead and did the filter while we were messing around there today. So we'll run that filter for a while, and once the car is running, driving, we'll run that for a little bit, and then we'll change it out. Do have another one. The one I put in and found, it's been sitting around for 15 or so years, brand new in the package. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to eat your shopsicles.